What is up, guys? It's your girl back with another makeup tutorial. For today's tutorial, we are talking eyebrows once again. Yes, it is another eyebrow tutorial. Today's tutorial, we will be tinting the brows at home. I'm actually going to be using the Just for Men, and I'm going to be tinting my own eyebrows at home. This is supposedly user-friendly. So hopefully I can get this done in about 5 minutes or less, just the eyebrow tinting part. The other part, I am going to shape my eyebrows. And by shaping, I mean I'm going to tweeze them. I'm going to, fix them up a little bit. Prior to doing any of that, what I want to do is actually, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows because I don't want to tweeze more than what I have to. Sometimes if you don't fill in your eyebrows, you really can't see the hairs that need to be tweezed and the ones that don't need to be tweezed. So that's just the way that I like to shape my eyebrows. I do have a full in-depth tutorial on how I shape my eyebrows at home as well, which I am more than happy to link for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I tint my eyebrows at home with this Just for Men kit, then vámonos, let's go ahead and get started. Now, first step is we are going to go ahead and shape the eyebrows. And what I mean by shaping is we're going to fill them in with either a brow pencil or your brow powder of choice. Now, I'm just gonna go straight in with my brow powder, which is going to be this one right over here. This is from my Tarte palette. This is just my current go-to. And I'm gonna be very specific on how I go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, because however I fill them in, that's basically going to be my line on how I'm going to go in with the tint, if you will. And then you guys are gonna see the next step after that. But I do have a few tutorials on how I shape my eyebrows as well. So if you guys want more in-depth tutorials on that, I will be more than happy to link that down below for you guys. This is the exact reason why I'm gonna tint my eyebrows, because it's just a big difference when I fill in my eyebrows versus when I don't fill in my eyebrows. And sometimes I just wanna wake up with just beautiful, natural eyebrows tinted. Now, next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the left side of my eyebrow or the left side of my face, and I'll be right back to a little bit of tweezing and a little bit of cleaning up. All right, so I finished my eyebrows. I put my hair up because I just don't like my hair in my face. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and clean up the eyebrows. And what I mean by cleaning up, we are going to go ahead and tweeze the eyebrows. I'm going to cut any long hairs that need to be cut or trimmed. And we are going to tweeze anything that needs to be cleaned up, like basically on this section right down here, or anything right up here as well, or even here in the middle portion of your eyebrows. But just like I said, guys, I do have an in-depth tutorial on how I clean up my eyebrows. I'll be more than happy to link that down below for you guys. This tweezer, along with this little set of scissor, I did purchase it at my local drugstore. I don't buy anything fancy anywhere fancy. I usually just get it at like my local drugstore. And I usually don't tweeze my eyebrows anymore, if I'm being quite honest with you guys. I let Sol, my girl that I go to for my threading girl, she just shapes my eyebrows. I don't do anything at home anymore, but for many reasons right now, as we know, emergency reasons. I just can't be going to work looking a hot mess. You know what I mean, guys? You just can't. All right, so I'm just gonna cut these hairs because you can see they are a little bit long, so we're just gonna trim those. I don't have a lot of eyebrow hair, hence why I get them tinted, so it can seem like I do have a lot, when in fact I really don't. I have absolutely nothing. All right, guys, so my eyebrows are all nice and clean. As you guys can see, my skin is very sensitive, so I do get red all around this area here. But we're gonna go ahead and open this Just for Men. So the one that I grabbed was the one that says it's for mustache and beard, because I believe there's one that's just for like your scalp head, hair, actual hair. And the one that I went with was the dark brown. So I haven't even seen what it actually looks like. I'm gonna open this bad boy up and see what we are working with. So what I think I'm gonna do is, it comes with these 3 items here. So you have your little brush, which essentially is to obviously brush the product into the actual hair. And then you have, this is the Just for Men color developer, and then this is the color base. So for what I have read, this seems pretty easy. What I have to do is apply the same equal amount of product into this plastic bowl, and then go in with my little spoolie situation here and just mix them both together, apply to the eyebrows, wait 5 minutes, and then just remove, and voila, eyebrows will be tinted. Let's see how this rolls and goes. I feel like I should change my shirt just in case I get it on me. So let me go ahead and change my shirt to something that I really don't care for, and we'll go ahead and begin the project. All right, shirt has been changed. Let's go ahead and make sure the eyebrows are ready. I've never really done anything like this at home, so I think I'll be fine. It's not that big of a deal, right? So I'm first going in with the color base. I'm gonna grab the smallest amount because I don't know what I'm doing at this point. And then I'm gonna go in. Woo! See, I'm already messing up. And I'm gonna go in with the color developer, same exact thing. I'm gonna apply it right next to it. So you guys can see, I'm really not going with a lot. Just the smallest amount. Let's see how long this situation is gonna last. And then, as instructed, with the end of this brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this all together. According to the instructions, I'm supposed to wait 5 minutes once I have applied it, right? Now, I'm actually going to apply it with a Q-tip. I feel like a Q-tip is the best way for me to go. Got my mirror, got my Q-tip, got my product, boom, let's do it. And I am going to go in with the smallest amount because I don't know how this is going to smudge on me. So, let's go. Go back in and grab some more. I feel like at this point I probably should have mixed a little bit more, but I mean, you live and you learn, right? Going into the other eyebrow. I look crazy. That's fine. What is that song that Beyonce sang? Beauty hurts. Next, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a spoolie and I'm going to massage this into the brows. I don't know if that's a good idea, but that's actually what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. Actually going to go in with a little bit of a rubbing alcohol because I don't want it to stain other parts of my skin that it's not supposed to. So essentially I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna clean it up. So this is what we're doing. There we go. And then the other side too. All right. Now I do want to go back again and massage. It goes so dark. It goes from like light to super dark, and it looks like I have clay on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off and let's see the end result because I'm super excited about this. A little afraid, just a tiny bit, but I mean, doesn't mean it's not gonna wash off eventually. It's kind of like makeup. If you don't like it, it will eventually wash off, right? All right, guys, I am back. Okay, so after 5 minutes, I washed off the eyebrows and I put my shirt back on because, you know, I just had to. And guys, I am not mad at this. Like, I'm gonna be doing this a lot now at home. It's just easy to just wake up to just tinted eyebrows or to actual full eyebrows in the morning. It's just easier. You guys don't have to do this. This is more for like a fuller, thicker eyebrow look, and that is what I'm all for. So half the time I just like to go ahead and, you know, wear my hair down to work. I put on my blue light glasses, which I have been obsessed with. These are my glasses that I have been obsessed with. These are by Key Australia. And I wear my hair down, no makeup, eyebrows on, and I'm good. Tomorrow I'm not even gonna have to put on any eyebrows to work, guys. It's like music to my ears. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so every time your girl upload, you guys are notified. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.